Hey guys, Joe here. Doing a short video. Unfortunately, my phone died on me last time I tried this. Are we still good? Yeah, we're still good. And I wanted to talk you through why I haven't done any of the Pew Pew videos from the last week. That's because I spent the last week and 3 days trying to replace my vehicle. Last week, my father came back with a really nice Scat Pack 392 Challenger, and it kind of made me feel like I wanted to consider getting rid of my Chrysler 300. You can see the video up there if you haven't seen it. Well, in that video I showed how it got hit in the back. I'd only had the truck or car for like 45 days when it got hit, and I kept it for another year and a half, and I just have not been happy with it. And my birthday's coming up, so I was like, what the Fugen snot, might as well. So I went looking. There's a couple of dealers that I worked with, including the one where I got this from, and you'll see their name in the picture. They're good people, fair price, actually miracle workers in 2021. And then there's a few that I would never go to, and their name rhymes with Mimsy. Anyways, this dealership that sold my father his car and then found me this one, technically I found it, but we wound up having it there, so that was a miracle, did a lot for me. Now, in 2021, finding a truck below its original MSRP, regardless of the year on the used market, is getting difficult. What I mean by that is 2018 King Ranches in my area with over 100,000 miles are selling for over $40,000. New trucks are selling for $5,000 to $10,000 over sticker, no questions asked. The market right now is, can you negotiate? The dealer's response is, buy. The next guy will buy it. So I went looking, and I had a few options. I could have gotten a 2019 Scat Pack. I don't like buying brand new. It's a thing with me. But 20,000 mile 2019 Scat Pack would have been about the same price as I paid for this truck. I can just borrow my dad's car if I want something fast. I looked at a Durango 2021 Destroyer Gray GT all-wheel drive, not a V8. Nice, but it would have been over 50 grand. A little too much money for me. What I wound up finding is what I wish I had found back in 2019 when I bought my F-150. For those of you that don't know, I had a 2016 F-150 crew cab, FX4 Sport XLT. It had all the stuff, navigation, no roof, and it only had the 2.7 V6 turbo and a 6-speed. Didn't really care for that engine. I wound up getting rid of it when I found the Chrysler. Technically, I was high when I bought the Chrysler because I was still in the hospital after having surgery. So, I don't regret buying the Chrysler. I just hated the Chrysler after it got hit. So this thing popped up, desperate last minute search, found this thing. It's a miracle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click through photo gallery, and we're going to take a look at it because, yeah, although it turns out that these are all saved as web addresses. So that's dumb, but we'll click through them. So yeah, just bear with me. Sorry. Here we go. Yeah, that's really good. But here, let's start here. This is the first picture I saw. Really nice looking red truck. I like red. I've never owned a red truck, so this was the truck. This was a 2017 Laramie. It's a little bit older sounding with 32,800 miles. Barely broken in. It's got some options on it. Matches my Chrysler pretty much. However, it's missing a couple of options, which is why I think I got it for the price I did. Let's see here. Here's a side view. It's a little bit janky, but I don't have my camera mounts. They're all at my office. But as you can see, full crew cab with the ram box, both sides. Locking tailgate with the 5-foot bed or 5.5-foot bed, and it's already bedline. 20-inch wheels, has the nice little bit of chrome on there. Nothing around the windows, which is what I prefer. I think it makes a truck look better, in my opinion, to not have chrome around the windows. Let's go up here. Don't need to see all the pictures, but as you can see, it's got the nicer projector beam headlights with the LED running lights. It's got the chrome front and rear bumpers and the chrome side step. So you're probably thinking, oh, okay, so that probably sold for more than it should have, but it didn't. And I'm going to show you why in this picture. Now, some of you will be able to look at this picture and tell me exactly why I think this truck didn't sell. And if you can't tell from that picture, how about this picture? That, kids, is a folding middle seat. That seat is probably the reason why nobody bought that truck yet. Also, does not have a telescoping steering wheel. That's fine. It sits fine in my position, and it has power pedals and memory seats, so I can adjust those and just set them. It also has heated and cooled seats and a heated steering wheel. I mean, this thing has basically every option except for the sunroof and the bliss, which I don't care about, blind spot. It's got the big 115 volt power adapter, has navigation, heated and cooled seats, tow haul, integrated trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, and the 8-speed transmission, so it has a potential to not get like 0 miles per gallon. Also, full friggin' crew cab, and I believe these rear seats are heated too. I didn't really sit in the back much, but that's who I got it from, by the way. You can see their name in the banner, and I'm not going to try to blur it out. They're good people, so you don't have to worry about that. But as you can see, full bed liner. The reason why the bed sides are completely straight is because this has the ram boxes, which basically give you between the wheel well width, but also giving you 2 lockable boxes on either side of the box, which is actually a pretty cool thing to have because then you can store extra stuff. But yeah, like I said, 8.4-inch Uconnect, which was the biggest they had in 17. It's got everything on it, and it's got 32,800 miles. And I was able to get out of a car that had an accident on its record. So, do I feel like I got a great deal? That's Deadpool, by the way. Yes, I 100% feel that I got a fair deal. I got a better than fair deal. I got a miracle deal because that truck actually sat around for 90 days with the price dropping over the course of 90 days. And I got it. So I'll be doing a full review on it. Leave me a message. I'll also be doing a full review on his 2021 Scat Pack. It's raining today, and they're going out of town, so I'll have time to just grab the car and do whatever I want with it. So I will be doing a review on both vehicles, and you can just tell me what you think on each. Obviously, it's not competing when I didn't buy another a Scat Pack. I was going to say another car, but I didn't buy a Scat Pack to compete with his Scat Pack. But again, if I want to borrow a fast car, I can borrow his car. If he needs a truck, he can borrow mine. So it just works out. Anyways, that's it. That's why I didn't put up the pew-pews. I've been obsessed for the last 9 days. I will be filming something this week and putting it up. So keep your eyes open. Again, I've been taking no time away from the YouTube space just because I haven't been able to focus on doing stuff. That was why. Hopefully here in the next month or so, everything will start picking up again. Plus, it's winter time, better ad revenue. So we're going to pull along with that. So don't forget to use my Amazon links below. Call Dulles. You can ask for my sales guy. He was Michael Wright. Great name. Decent dude. He'll hook you up. So if you want a decent dude that's been in the business long enough to know how to treat you right, I think he'll take care of you. So that's it. That's me. Jiminy Show. Check it out. And I'll talk to you later. Take a look at the ceiling, shall you?